This video quickly walks you through on how to create tasks in Google Calendar. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser, and I recommend Google Chrome in this case. As the Chrome app opens, visit calendar.google.com and sign in if you are prompted to do so. Once you're here, you will be landed on an interface that looks like this. You may find yourself in a way that this month is not selected. Maybe you find yourself in the day or week. All right, so your calendar may appear this way. But I like working with monthly formats. All right, so but it will give you the same result at the end. Then let's take some bold steps. Click on create. Then select task from the list of options. Now, in the add title section, give this task a title. Let's say I want to mark student scripts on a particular day. So I will say student scripts. So in this sample, I assume I'm a lecturer. So I want to mark student scripts on that particular day. So now look at the day choosing. The date of the day you're setting the task will be selected. But I want to plan ahead, so I want it to be on 26th of March instead of 25th. So click here and select a date of your choice. So I'll click on 26th and the time. What is the time range when you want to start this task and when you want to complete it? I want to start by 9 a.m. and end it by 4 p.m. All right. So I'll click here and scroll until I get to 9 a.m. Look at 9 a.m. here. I'll click on it. Then click here and select 4 p.m. because that is my own time of completion of this task, which is going to be 7 hours work. All right. If you want the work to be done all day, you check this box. But no, I've selected the time frame, so it's not going to be all day because I need to rest. Then do not repeat. It's okay. All right, because I don't want to complete this task another day. If you want to complete another day, you can click here and select this time frame every day, all right, or weekly. But I don't want that actually, so I'm good with this setup here. Then add deadline. I'll click here and select the deadline. It's going to end that same date. So click here and choose the same date for your choice, okay? Or if you want it as to end in a day, choose the date. So let's add the description. So click there and add description, okay? All right, I have added my description and it reads marking of my students exam papers. Okay, then here you can click here, my task is selected, which is what it is, my task. So look at my name here, the name on the profile right down on this Google account I'm using. After setting up all these things, click on save and it says mark task complete for the grid. All right, so for it to show on the calendar, so you can now mark task complete by directly clicking on the circle in the shape. All right, so what it means is that at the end, when you are done with that, let it allow you to mark it that you have completed it. I will click on got it. So this has been set and look at the date when it appears. So when I'm done with it, I'll just come here and tick, meaning that I have completed the task. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.